How to buy Mubarak token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created two days ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the BNB Smart Chain network. So to be able to buy this token, we need to go to PancakeSwap, as you can see here. Connect your wallet first. Select your wallet from my, for example, OKX. Now I will just log into my wallet first, as you can see here. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, go back to this token page, copy the token address from here and go back to PancakeSwap. Click here, as you can see, and now you can paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. You can click on import. Make sure to read that information here. Click on I understand and click on import. So after you import your token here, select the token from the top that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And as you can see here, you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Mubarak token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.